Alright, next stop. Jim Kelly's Nugget. That sounds kind of weird. Like, Jim Kelly, did he like take a crap or something and then like, here's my nugget.
Oh, food.
Ooh.
Should we take a look at their food?
Let's look at their food. Jim Kelly's Nugget has food on the side.
Yeah.
You want to eat after we play?
Sure. Let's just take a look at what food they have.
Let's see.
Burgers, not burgers. Fish tacos.
Hot dogs. Nachos.
Caesar salad.
Cool. Yeah.
I'd probably take that.
Nice. I'm gonna walk around the front way just to look at that nugget. Jim Kelly's Nugget. That's the way it's mounted. If you could see in the reflection. Ooh, smells like, oh my goodness. No, it smells like it's bad ventilation in here. Oh, this place is small. Like, is this small? Okay, look, see. What games? Oh, she pointed directly over to. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, they have bad ventilation in here. Oh, they took down the roulette. Look at it, they took down, look. Ah, we should see if we can take that home. The bar over here, it's a nice little bar. Jackpot Carnival. This is my non-favorite game right there. There's Jackpot, and then Jackpot Carnival, Lightning Link. Got these games right in the corner. Look at that. Oh. What's your favorite game?
Oh yeah,
Yep. You want to try? Want to see if they have a card? Yeah, we don't need it. Oh wow. Okay. They got old Buffalo games. I thought this place was a lot bigger because there's mirrors here. So yeah, that's how I have it mounted. Old Buffalo games. Ooh, she's gonna want to play this Whisker Wheels. I bet you when we walk over here, she's gonna want to play it. Here's the coin trio. Look at this game.
Which one?
Whisker Wheels with the cat.
This one or that one?
I don't know. It's the, oh, they're both the same, right? Or is it different?
They're both the same.
It looks different.
Black cat and purple cat.
I think the purple cat's usually better luck than black cats. Okay. Food. She's gonna play it. Told you she's gonna play it. I'm gonna walk through here and we'll walk back over and watch her play. There's more cat games. And that's it. Oh man, this camera is overheating. I don't know why. Gotta change the setting or something. Check this out. Nice little spot to eat. Yeah. Okay, thank you. I have a question. So that hotel and casino over there, they closed down. Are they moving?
No, they were trying to
Did they try to purchase?
demolish it and then do it.
Oh, remodel it. Okay, gotcha. Thank you. Water. I'm trying to be healthy. Water.
Stop. You know what I forgot?